Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, children.
Ma'am, I have made the poster. Only one picture is only left. Can I show you?
Yes, show it to me. Wow, this is amazing, Shreyansh. Your drawing is too good, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, hurry up, complete it and send it on the group. What about you, Pratyush? Pratyush Pal, what about you? How much have you done? Children, I have started my second poster in 4th B. And with you people, it's just the first one that we are on till now. You people are taking too long, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes. What happened? Pratishtha, better just open your mic. Unmute yourself. Pratishtha, can you unmute yourself, beta?
ma'am, I'm already unmuted.
Okay.
Ma'am,
How much have
okay.
you done? May I please know how much have you done?
Ma'am, I'm coloring it.
All right. Show it to me. Show your poster. Okay. Nice. Okay. What about Shaurya and Apurva? I think there is again some network issue. I can't hear any of you.
We are
All right, beta. Today, positively, everyone has to send it to me. Otherwise, now I'll start writing your names in the class group. Work not submitted by so and so student. And Karthik and Pratyush, the students who are not replying, I'll definitely do this with you. Okay, Karthik, I'll check it on the class group. All right, beta, very nicely made. But Karthik, please don't call it done because it is not done. It is still incomplete. And what you were supposed to make? You were supposed to make types of waste. There were 8 different types of waste. Solid e-waste, paper waste, plastic waste. No, beta, not this. You were supposed to make organic waste, solid waste, liquid waste, chemical waste, medical waste, construction and demolition. These were the things that you were supposed to make. First of all, you have done something wrong, and secondly, you have not even completed it, and you're calling it work done. Color it at least, finish the poster, and then submit. Don't submit it like this. Okay, beta, I'll check and let you know. Wow. All right, Pratishtha.
Ma'am, next what to do?
Next, what to do? Now, beta, next work we will start from Monday. Okay, what you have to do is till
Okay,
then,
ma'am.
can you listen to me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll be working on a new poster, which is Unity in Diversity. So for that, you have to collect various pictures that you want of any topic. The topic can be food. There are different types of foods that are eaten across the country. There are different types of costumes. There are different types of festivals. So whatever topic you think, you can choose. You can get pictures, collect pictures of all of them, and we are going to create a poster. Okay. Now this
Okay,
work
ma'am.
also 4th C students have done so well, and I expect the same from all of you. All these
Okay, ma'am.
yes, all these posters are being done everywhere in all the sections.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children, I'll end the meeting here. Okay, no, still 10 minutes. 9 minutes are still left.